When an incident form opens, how does ServiceNow get data from the server immediately without calling anything from the client? This is done using display business rule. In this video, we will see a simple real-time example on the incident table. When the form opens, we will fetch the callers department from the server using display business rule and pass it with G underscore scratchpad to show it on the form. Let's start. Here, our topic is displays callers department information on incident form by using display business rule and client script. Here, we can follow these two methods by using display business rule and client script. In between, G underscore scratchpad will act as a connector because it will carry the server side scripting information to the client side. So we can break the requirement into simple steps. In here, we can divide into two steps. One step is by using display business rule, and then after client script. Let's start with the business rule. We can navigate business rule by sys underscore script.list. Sys underscore script.list. Here, while selecting the caller, it will automatically populate the department information. Sys underscore script.list. Click on new. Click on new. So name should be relevant to our requirement. Here the requirement is auto populate the department. So department visible auto populate. The table is instant table. Incident table. Click on advanced. It will highlight the when to run and advanced options. As per our requirement, we need to use display business rule. And here the order is 1900. It will prevent the collision of other business rules. Then click on advanced. Here. Best practice is used to code. Use comments. As per our requirement here, we break these simple steps. First step is we can create scratchpad variable to send department name to client by using G underscore scratchpad option. Then check whether caller has a department assigned or not. Then finally, it will fetch the department name and store in scratchpad. So this is the display business rule concept. Then we can carry with the client script. So check if department name was sent from display business rule. Then show department name as comment or message. Let's start. Here, first step is create scratchpad variable to send department name to client. Then copy and just we are pasting here. Then enter. How can create a scratchpad variable to send department name to client? By adding G underscore scratchpad dot department name. G underscore, sorry. G underscore scratchpad. Scratchpad. Dot department name. Dot department name equal to empty quotations. Then it's semicolon, end line with the semicolon. Then what's the next step? Create scratchpad variable to send department name to client. That's why we are giving as empty quotation here. It will create variable to send department name. And then what's the next step? Check whether caller has a department assigned. Check whether caller has department assigned or not. So if condition we are using. If current dot call ready. Current means current table. Current dot. What is it here? Check whether caller has department assigned. So we need to take the backend value of caller. So instant table, backend value of caller is caller underscore ID. Caller underscore ID. So copy the field value and paste it in here. Current dot caller underscore ID. Caller ID dot department. Department. Check whether caller has department assigned or not. Department. Then what's the next step? Fetch department name and store in Scratchpad. We need to give fetch department name. How we can give? G underscore Scratchpad dot department name dot department name equal to current means current table dot caller ID. So caller ID is taken from backend value of the caller underscore ID current dot caller underscore ID dot department dot get display value. It will display. Enter. That's it. Then format the code. Just submit. So we completed the display business rule. So we are adding, our concept is we need to create display business rule and client script by using GNSCO Sketchpad. Then we are using client script now. You can navigate the client script. How we can navigate client script? Enter client script. Under system definition, it will be there. The name should be relevant to our requirement. Name should be requirement to the, here our requirement is client script display caller department information instant form. So display caller department, display caller department. The table is instant table. Type is onload. Here our concept is how we can write. Check if department name was sent from display business rule. Show department name as in information message. First, we need to check department name from display business rule. If G underscore Sketchpad, Sketchpad dot department name. check if department name was sent from display business rule. So it said it's from display business rule. Then add curly brackets. Then G underscore form. Here we are giving show department name as in information message. So we are giving as G underscore form. G underscore form dot add info message. Add info message. We are giving information message of department of colors department. Color department. Plus G underscore scratchpad. G underscore scratchpad. G underscore scratchpad. The department name. Department name. Department name. Then enter. Then submit. Then we can test on the instant form. Just load the form. Refresh form. Yes. While refreshing loading form, it's showing as the color department is development. The color is belong to the development department. We can change the color name. Charles. I will change to Charles. Then I'm saving. Yes, it's working. Color department is sales. He's from sales department. Then we can change with the other color. Just we can search the able tutor. Able tutor. And Whedon. So I'm just loading. Reload. Yes, he also from sales department. Adela. I will change it to Adela. Then saving. He's from customer support. Like this way, we can do very simple concepts, and we can practice much more. Here, the result is show department name as department name, color department. That's it, guys. Thank you. Wish you all the best.